Hi everybody, it's Leanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I am at Slate Run Living Farm in Columbus, Ohio. We are actually on the outskirts at Canal Winchester, Mothopolis. This is just something great to do, see the animals. I'm taking my grandchildren. I have two children here with me today, and I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to.
You can't see me.
Okay, so this is my grandson Aiden.
Hey.
And this is my grandson Sterling. And we are going to walk around the farm today. We don't always get to see farms every day anymore, so this is a great way to come and see the cows and chickens and all of that stuff, and you don't even have to pay a dime to come and explore this farm. Ring toss thing? Okay. Let's watch Sterling play ring toss, the old-fashioned ring toss. Whoops. Did you get it?
Nope.
Okay.
And
Look at you. Over here, the kids can play on stilts, which is an old-fashioned toy. They're made of wood. There's a bunch of them for them to play with.
wait, I can play with these?
They're too wet.
They know. And then these ropes are for the ring toss.
Hi.
What's that? Oh, you got one. Do you want to try it?
How
You
do I
guys want to
use it?
try the... You got to get two of them.
Why do I need two?
You just need two.
You know what I mean?
Okay. There goes Aiden walking on the stilts. He just... Okay, I'm trying to... Okay, I'm trying to...
Cannot do it.
Well,
See, you gotta step on it, right?
Yeah, but I stepped in it.
you did it the first time, Aiden, and I didn't get to catch it. I'm trying to...
I did it.
Yeah, the first time you
Can I
took a
use
couple
it as something
steps.
else?
Kind of like that.
Huh?
I don't think
Can I
it's
use
just
it as something else?
balance.
Yeah, you could do something else in a minute.
Balance it. I
Mm-hmm.
can just do that, you know.
Yeah. First, just
You
balance
gotta
it. That's
not
all
know
you want to
how to
do
do
at first. You don't want to start walking right away.
I don't want it to be too far apart either.
Cool. So this is like an old-fashioned dartboard hole-in-one, and then this is what you use. You throw it through the hole.
Move over. Come on.
Go on.
Come on, close.
Wow.
Whoop.
What?
Huh? I don't know. What is it? Yeah, that's
Are you
the
supposed to hit it or is it supposed to go through?
go through.
Go on, time. Go on.
Good enough.
Well, at least we think.
Right
I did
there.
it. Ah.
Oh my god!
One more. Oh, we're gonna try it again. Keep it. Okay, I'm gonna play the old-fashioned ring toss.
You win?
No, not yet. Let's see. I'm gonna give myself one more try. Almost. Okay. Fashion marble.
Right here.
It's gonna work.
What a cinematic masterpiece.
Yes.
Try again.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we just got the animals to do.
Push me.
Yeah.
The old-fashioned
right out.
swing.
Why?
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yay! I could push you.
It's not a push thing. Oh, yeah. I think I might be heavier than I was last time I used this.
That's okay.
2 years.
Yeah, it's a while ago.
Your turn.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
I don't know if I can go anywhere.
Yeah, it's hard to really go anywhere
Can
like
you
this.
push, Grandma?
You can do it.
What? I need to push you.
Not hard. I am a chicken. Okay, you might want to move.
Alright, you gotta move.
Did it work? Did it work?
Yes, it did.
So how you liking the experience so far?
That's fun. It's fun. I'd like to have one in my backyard.
Okay,
This
Aiden,
would
I
be
need
nice.
you to go back on the swing so I can push you.
House. So you get to see The water well, like how they used to get water.
Put your hand right there.
What?
I think it's the watering thing.
Yeah, I think it works. We're going to see if it works. Yep.
What?
Use your hands to gather it. They ask that you don't waste the water. Wash your hand. Well, you washed them, so we're okay.
You want to try it? Wash your hands.
You try it.
No, but you can wash yours.
You want it? Okay. Of course. Okay.
Alright, no more.
Then your turn.
Did you get your hands wet?
Your turn.
Washed? Yeah.
Your turn.
That's okay.
You gotta let it go.
And then, yeah, the
Wash your
sign
head.
gives you a tip to wash your hands or drink it.
I'm gonna drink it, of course.
Right. Old-fashioned porch to the farm.
Is it a little tiny bee?
No.
Giant bee? It's a giant bee.
Here.
Oh! Hi!
This is the old-fashioned farm.
It's weird.
Yes.
1880s farm.
Hey guys, look!
What?
Got a game here. This is Mama.
The kerosene lamp up there.
What's this? Please do not touch the
Don't touch this on Richie.
Touch.
Come on, he's coming. Come on,
Happy cat.
come on. Let's check upstairs.
I don't think we can do that. I don't think we can go upstairs. And the old-fashioned sewing machine.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming in there in just a second. It's the hallway, and the upstairs is closed to the staff. Now we're going into, I don't know what they called this in the 1880s. It's very dark in here though.
What's the farmhouse?
Living room or parlor room.
That's what you want to call it.
Alexa in here?
Hmm?
This wouldn't be a bad place to live.
Yes.
In here?
Pretty nice.
Sleep on that couch right there. Probably that's all. But
Piano.
This, yep, piano. Says it's being repaired.
Being prepared. Ow.
Fireplace.
This place is creepy.
Shh.
What's in here?
Hmm?
What's in there?
It's a fireplace. I don't know. And now we're going to the 1880s shed.
Guys, come on. Look in here.
I'll be there in just a sec. This is where they kept the cut wood.
Aiden, the bug.
See if I can see in there. It's gonna be dark. Yeah, there's the wood.
A lot of wood in here.
Yeah, for the fireplace. And their outside table.
And there's something else in here, of course.
I know. Don't go in there.
What?
We are
Go in there.
Wait, hold on.
some type of furnace, old-fashioned furnace.
Story, walk, begins here.
And they got an old-fashioned book.
Ready? Try it
Want to
out.
open it?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing in there. Okay,
Try this big wood.
that's okay.
Guess we can go in here.
That was
That is
okay.
a cellar.
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't know if it can be opened. Nope, it looks like it's locked.
Is it?
Yeah, it's got a bolt or something on it, some type of lock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not sure what that house is over there, but I know that's a smokehouse where they smoke meats.
What?
What's that?
Right over here. Yeah, they smoke meats like ham and everything. I've been here before when they were smoking. So,
What is that?
Let's just-
This is a smokehouse.
Yes. Yep. Is that what it says on the thing? Is that
I
one a
don't know.
smokehouse too?
I don't know if he can even go in.
Huh?
Root cellar.
Root cellar?
Yeah.
Root cellar.
Whatever that is.
Yeah, we don't know what a root cellar is, but this, ooh, you can smell the smoke though still, and it's not even smoking, but that's the smokehouse.
Can I go in?
Oops, sorry. I just need to, no, we don't need to.
I
We
want that.
smoke the meat.
I want that.
Into the rest of this shed.
This shed. But it's tiny.
Yeah, it's kind of like a guest house of some type.
Hot stove. Don't touch the stove, son.
Yeah, it's got another stove.
That would be sad.
It's nuts. Look around.
Fireplace. This is something fun to do. You can come out by yourself. Bring your kids, bring your grandchildren.
Hey, I'm gonna sweep. Hot stove.
Yep, there's actually a broom there to sweep.
Hey.
Some of the workers,
As long as I don't break your camera.
the living workers.
Yeah, I'm one of the farmers here. Try to show what life was like on a 1880s farm in central Ohio.
Okay, so what are some of the things you
Crocodiles.
do here? I can
There's
see
gonna be
you're
a
repairing the
crocodile
bridge
in there.
now.
Everything from woodworking, repairing bridge, siding on the barns, maintenance on the buildings, and plowing the fields, harvesting the fields, planting the fields. The horses and us farmers do all the work.
Responsibility.
Just a little bit of everything, yeah. Okay, well,
Raising, feeding, even butchering hogs to, the horses help me plant the hay, cut the hay, rake the hay, put the hay on the wagon, put the hay in the barn, and they eat the hay, so.
oh, how nice. That's very interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting. Thank you. Thank you. I can see the animals on this little road here.
This is the farm.
Yeah, we're going to cross a bridge.
Oh no, that's a bridge! Look at a bridge!
Yeah. Hold on. I think he's saying hello.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Are you nice? Right in
So
there.
it's going to be dark in here. But we've got some horses, some beautiful horses. Just no touching.
Ooh, that's giant.
Yeah. And beautiful. Look at that.
Why is it so giant?
And I think, ooh, sorry about that. He's eating. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. He got startled. So there are the horses, but hello there. I didn't mean to startle him. And then there's a,
He started. I don't know.
oh, okay. So I don't know what this is. A tractor
Moves hay around.
that moves hay around, yes. Another one.
Gives and
Be
takes hay.
careful. I just don't want to be scared.
Hi, how are
How you
you?
doing?
Good.
We're feeding the animals.
Oh, yeah, I think I startled the one over there, the horse.
Yeah, they're eating their oats.
Yeah. So, well, it looks like they got good food.
What is upstairs?
They've got an upstairs too, and then there's like their tools. There's some rakes and all kinds of stuff. Let's
I
go.
don't know if we even allowed to go upstairs.
I think we are allowed to go upstairs. I don't know. Do we want to?
Maybe.
Mm,
What's that? Look at my poop.
Well, shh. So these
Go
are.
to the barn first. You want to go
Wait,
to
see
that?
animal.
I guess
We're gonna
we'll
see an
we'll go
animal.
to this one first.
Sure.
'Cause yeah, I think so. Yeah.
This
Thank
one is so
you. Have
cute.
to,
What's that?
huh?
You think? Is it okay? Oh,
Yeah, it's just resting.
No, that was a big one.
Just resting.
What should we name it?
I don't know. They probably. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's something to do with hay. And then there's more tools, harnesses, horse harnesses. Trying to see what's in here. Don't put your hands in here. Oh, the cows are eating. Hello there. Yeah. As long as you don't bother them, they're trying to eat. Yeah.
They got a good time eating.
Yeah.
You like the food? Like the food?
Some more sheep.
More sheep?
Like it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's more sheep.
Careful, because they might
Sorry
try
about
to
the
eat.
lighting.
Yeah, it should.
So we're walking right next to these little guys.
Be careful.
We're not going to go super close to them. And then the farmer is working the water over here. Is it a windmill? Yeah, this is a windmill. Yeah, you're right. Yep, it's a windmill. He's working the water while in the windmill. Yeah. How cool is that? Hello.
Hello.
Is that a windmill or water?
Windmill, yeah.
What is that supposed to be?
Yeah.
Oh, what? What are you looking at? I'm pointing at it.
I don't know what is in there.
Uncle wagon.
Yeah.
And we pick corn and we throw corn in there. It's got sides on it. And then
Oh.
there's the Scooby Ducks in there.
Yeah, I think he's getting water now for the animals.
Water the sheep. We got to bring the sheep in here a little bit.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. Nice meeting you.
Let's let him work. Real quick.
Okay. Yeah, and this is what he said he puts the corn in. No feeding. They just come over here and feed themselves. Just walk around.
Okay, stop.
What?
Sorry, keep stopping.
I just want to get it
So this is the corn shed.
down. Hey, do I have a name?
Well, they probably have names like the workers, farmers here have given them names, I'm sure.
I'm going to name it Scarlet.
Scarlet?
Name this one Scarlet.
Scarlet? That's a pretty name. So Sterling's named this horse Scarlet.
Hi, Scarlet.
You guys are so nice. They're following us everywhere through the field. It's so cute.
Or at least they didn't catch us.
Yeah. Because we don't know what to do.
If they do catch us,
The whole thing.
Yeah, I think they are going to follow us through the whole thing. It's adorable, though. And then these are some turkeys. I think.
hey, Jookie,
Are they
Jookie.
turkeys? No.
They look
Yeah,
like turkeys.
I think they are. Like
Yeah,
baby
they're turkeys.
turkeys.
Definitely turkeys.
Okay. And then the bigger ones on the other side.
Stop it.
We don't want to
Try
get
it.
them started.
Okay.
Hi there. Oh boy. There we go. Hi there. Sterling was talking to them, so they're talking back. I think those are the babies, and then the big one
so
is
good.
on the other side, like right on the other side there, way in the
You
back
okay?
behind the tree. Hi guys. Yeah. Yeah, don't stick your fingers in there. Okay, there's two different types. There's a turkey, and then I don't know what the other little guys are.
That one is like so.
Well, hi there.
Take a picture. Take a picture of it.
I will in a minute.
Bro, if you don't.
And hi there. Yeah, he's walking with me. I like you too. I like you all.
Hi.
And then I'm not sure. This one's like spotted. I don't know if it's a turkey or what. They're so cute. Another machine shed.
Are we allowed to go in here?
Hmm.
I think we're allowed to go in here.
I mean, we can look up close.
But I think we can go. And they go in.
I don't know. Oh, look. There's a sleigh.
I'm gonna try it out. This is good today. I'm gonna go under the sleigh first.
And horses would
No,
pull
sorry, don't
that.
get on it. Don't get on it. Don't touch.
Why?
Yeah, we don't want to touch. We're not allowed to touch. We just look.
Oh.
They're fragile.
Where's Fatima? Let's go, Lee.
Oh, okay.
again too.
Huh? Yeah, video. I think so. We'll see. All right, guys. Thank you for coming with us to visit Slate Run Living Farm in Columbus, Ohio. So it's one of the things you can do. Get out in nature. Doesn't cost a thing. You get to see the cows, the horses, the pigs, a working farm, all the tools that they would have. We had a great time today.
Yeah.
I had my special helpers here. Aiden was my cameraman most of the time. Sterling helped a little bit too. We got chased by some ducks, and we also got chased by some very large bees, but you know, so be prepared. None of them harmed us or anything. It was perfectly safe, but we had a lot of fun. Make sure you take the time to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video and what else you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I don't know.
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna have to name him right now. and what should he name it?
Yeah.
Wait, let's name it Minion.
Yep. It's like not trying to be photographed. It wasn't trying to be photographed. Ooh, jeez. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Here comes one running to say goodbye.
One more time of the video. Can I have a camera?
No, stop it.
Why?
Before you make me drop it.
Why can't I hold out?
I don't see it. Here. It's up there somewhere. Okay. Here, you can film going up this way. It's on record. Just film something. Okay, we're ready.
Okay. Alright guys. I know we ended the video, but
Yeah, don't. I did. So, but don't.
so we're gonna have to make the video again.
I don't want him
Please
dropping.
stay tuned.
You can film in here.
It's all, but be careful.
Yeah, look around here.
Also, we noticed on our way in that they have picnic tables, so you can bring your little picnic for the family or yourself and get some shade and sit in the picnic tables.